for this evening will be Joel and a polling vote. Tomorrow night, tomorrow afternoon, everybody will go through scrutiny and then we will do a draw according to who is still in the game. And then the highest points at the front, lowest points at the back. Total points will determine your SA 1, 2 and 3 title holders in the Dirt Oval for South Africa National Championships. Derek, good evening to you.
Ja, goeienaand mense, baie welkom julle almal. Ons sal nie te lang aan. Ons wil die onderwysermeester net verwelkom en hy het 'n paar dingetjies om te sê en dan gaan ons voortgaan met die wedrenning.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, participants. Apologies. Seems like the wind is blowing me out of